April 23rd. So our anniversary, our wedding anniversary is on April 24th. So yeah, and I'm actually filming this now because since we left the home, I didn't get to film anything. So my bad. So I'm making the intro video right now. So yes, so we're going to Orlando. We're going to Disneyland, Volcano Bay.
Our future state.
Yeah, but yes, we're just going to Orlando to have a fun time. We're gonna be there for 5 days. So instead of taking the airplane, we decided to take the Amtrak, which is a really nice experience. So you're gonna see from here on, when we board New York, you're gonna see all of the procedures. Some of them that I could get, I made, but what I didn't get, I tried my best. But anyways,
so right now we're on the train for almost 2 hours, and we pass a few states. So for these states now on, it's new to her.
yeah, it's new to me, so I'm really excited about it. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
You know, it's not new for me, but it's different view for me.
Yeah,
it's different from my last road trip. It was by car, which was in July, but now the train is different. It's different routes, so I'm seeing different spots of the place I've passed by.
did you hear the train honking? So after this video, you're gonna see from when we leave home, he's playing games, but he's taking me through it. So he's gonna tell me the name of the states and everything that went on the states probably. So yeah, he's gonna take me through the states. You will see the states from here. You're gonna see when we board from New York and leave, and when we end at the end of this video, you're gonna see it. And yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll show everything possible that I could try to get. But so far, we're liking it on the train. And to me, the train that I always do my research before I come on anything. So when I did my research, it showed that the Amtrak train is supposed to be a little bit bigger. And so far, I'm not judging it, but so far, it's not what I saw on the internet. But we're gonna see how it goes. So sit back, relax, and watch the video and enjoy it. Alright. This is the waiting area. I'm finding it. So these are the number tracks. They have the schedules. And yeah, keep people waiting. So Long Island Railroad there, food hall there, Starbucks all the way over there, and they got different routes. There's a waiting room, and that's him waiting. And then you checked in there. There's a checked in for the Amtrak. That's it. We're about to get Starbucks first, and then we're gonna get something to eat, right? Okay, we got Starbucks. I got the pink drink with cold mocha foam, and this is hazelnut coffee, hazelnut some kind of syrup something. So we're entering the food court, and yeah, let's see what we got. They got pizza. They got salad. Okay, restaurant's there. Okay, there's a restroom. And they got burger. What is that over there? Make that line so long. Let me see. But yeah, this is the food court. We're about to go down to the track to board. So yeah, let's see. It's an elevator.
Have a nice trip, guys. Thank you so much. Welcome. 391. Just let the conductor know where you're getting off, guys. 391. Have a nice trip. Welcome.
We're at track 11. Why does it look so small?
On your four. Folks, y'all gotta let me know where you're going before you go. Hold on. Where you going? Everybody going?
There. Okay. Gotta wait now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Bye, New York. We're excited, right?
Yes, you want.
So this you say is Jersey, right? This is Jersey. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Still in Jersey, so beautiful. Oh, that mountain.
No, I saw the sign says avoid
Oh, look at plane. Okay, this is a little bit scary. Beautiful. We got the station. I think we're stopping here.
Yeah, that's a New Jersey station that we stopped at.
Oh, okay, got it. So this is New Jersey Station.
Penn Station.
Penn Station. New Jersey Penn Station.
So we got.
The skies look so pretty. We're still in Jersey, so. Yay! So it's sunny here and it's raining in New York. When we left.
That means New York should clear up soon.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're not far off. So this is the next stop, Jersey. Trenton, Jersey.
That's the last stop before Philadelphia.
The last stop before Philadelphia. Yeah, my indicator's there. He knows more better than me.
You know what I mean? I'm a traveler.
Yeah.
Right there.
The name is right here.
Right in her face.
Yes.
Trenton says hello.
No. I'm leaving Trenton. Oh, that is beautiful.
The next stop is Philadelphia.
Philadelphia next stop. Beautiful. That cloud looks so pretty. The big cloud. So, Pennsylvania. Right now, Pennsylvania. Everything is so trees. I need something exciting. So this is inside of the Amtrak train. It's so cool. And you could be on the window, got your little, that's my bag. Got a little table. You got a lot of room space, like really a lot of room space. And then you have a window. You got this. You could pull it, and yeah, that's it. Okay, now we talking. No much. Those houses are small.
Huh?
Those houses are like, oh, those are apartments. So beautiful. Look, AT&T. Philadelphia. So beautiful.
Nice in the city over here.
Then the city is all
it got
way
blocked.
there, but anyways,
Philadelphia.
yeah.
Philadelphia. La Tita.
The place.
Shuri.
Oh,
Look at that place, Shuri.
the Guyanese girl. Yay! Oh look, these are the city too. There's a lot of tracks. I know, but those are Amtrak too, I think.
Those are entrance. Technically, you see the front of the train that we were.
I know, those are Asila. Asila is the name of it. So yeah. No, it is Amtrak, but that's the name of the train. Because look, the Amtrak thing is there.
The silver bullet.
Yeah. Our train are different for some reason. We'll explore later.
Bring the luggage. Space here.
Because we're at Philadelphia State. I'm trying to, but so we're basically still in Philadelphia. It's so many trees. So since there's so many trees around the city side, yeah, it was on that side, but we're not that side. But since there's so many trees and everything, I'm gonna not video the trees because it makes no sense. Honestly, it's like scenery is really, really beautiful then. But whatever area we got, then I'll video those so you will see those. But for now, we already stopped at 2 states, right?
Close to Maryland.
Until we close to Maryland, yes, he said yes. This is my instructor because I don't know these states, so you know these states.
Learning all those states now.
I'm now learning, I'm now seeing, so yeah. Okay, so now this is not raised that much, but there goes the train, but they're close. Yeah, there's like a lot of trees. different state. I don't know the different state.
Delaware.
Yeah, Delaware. Delaware.
Delaware.
Yeah, Delaware. So basically what they do is that they stop, take passengers in, take them off, and they go right away. There's no layovers so far that we've been on this train for like 11, 12, 2 hours. That's Number Bridge. So we're in Maryland. Oh, why is it so? There goes the tree again. Oh. Okay, so garbage can is there. And oh, this is the restroom. We're close to the restroom, but this is really dirty. Okay. When you close it, why am I not getting this? Oh, when you close it, you pull it, you close it, but that might be the case. So this is the washroom. It's really dirty right now. Yeah, that's really dirty, but yeah, they have a sink, and then there's a mirror. So yeah. Okay, so I changed washroom because the other one was really freaking dirty. So this is the next one. This one is much cleaner. The mirror is smaller, and yeah, this was looking like. Toilet is in there. I'm not gonna show you that obviously, but yeah, here we go. Where we at?
Baltimore.
Baltimore. Maryland.
Baltimore, Maryland.
Baltimore, Maryland. I think we're going underground. Let's see.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a couple of minutes, we'll be arriving at Baltimore Penn Station. If Baltimore is your destination, please make sure you have all your personal belongings. Please take one last look around your feet. Check those overhead racks. Check the seat back pockets in front of you. Make sure you have all your personal belongings. Baltimore Penn Station coming up. Now, ladies and gentlemen, not all doors will open. You will need to exit where you see a member of the train crew. Once again, Baltimore Penn Station coming up. Not all doors will open. Please exit where you see a member of the train crew.
Baltimore. Leaving Baltimore. Yes, next stop is Washington. Oh, there we go, underground. I do not like undergrounds. No. We're about to go get food right now. So yeah. Oh, this is observation deck. Okay, this is the food. Got the chances there. I just want no dumps. Well, I just want soda. So this is a food spot. What thing? Yeah, I got it on me. Okay, so we're back to receipts. Whoa. Back to receipts. Alright, so listen, there's a tip. Not all Amtrak trains that you see on the internet is actually true, because when I did my research at the Amtrak, there was an observation deck that you could go and you could sit down and more space where you could see everything. And the kitchen was really big, but this one we're on, it's like small, and there's no observation deck. There's no detour. It goes straight, and there's no layover. There's one good thing.
And it's skipping stuff.
It's skipping stuff. stops that now I'm each on the map. But the kitchen is really small. It's like a stall.
It's like a mini bar thing.
Yeah, and it's not like what I expected, but and there's no observation deck. So basically, the seats that you're in, which is these kind of seats, is the seats that you'll be in. That's the observation deck. So yeah.
Turn on the hotspot for now.
It's gonna be raining soon. So you wanted to go to a state that's rain? Some states is gonna rain. So we're heading to Washington, DC. Washington, DC. We're in Washington, DC right now. It's really rainy over here. So I got a soda and they gave us an Amtrak cup with a soda on it. This is really creative and really nice. Arriving at Washington, DC. Amtrak station. There's nothing over there, so. It's gonna be raining here. Oh, look at the little. I want that for floor to drive. I want a vehicle like that. It's easier. Yeah, I think these are probably the one with the two things. Is the ones that you get to get a deck and everything. But this one don't have that. After 2 hours in DC. We're now moving. Oh my god, it looks so terrible. Look, that thing is there. Is the city? What does the thing? Museum of the Bible is there. That sun is beaming. That sun is beaming, look. Washington, DC, bro. I like a boat.
Haven't touched anything this one.
Oh. This is currently Virginia. Wait, the Virginia is long, right? You see?
Yeah.
It's long. It's trees again, of course. So Virginia is actually nice. in the city? In the city? It looks so. It's a semi-break. So this is the city of Virginia. It's a beautiful house. I love the car. Back to the trees. Back to the trees. Currently in Virginia, there's the next Amtrak train. The name is Cafe. So it's literally night, like right now, and you can't really see outside. So I won't be featuring in the night because you ain't gonna be seeing anything. So when we reach in the morning, or if anything come up that I think that I could get on the camera, I will definitely video that. But for now, you definitely can't see anything, and it makes no use to be videoing. So I shall be seeing. So this is where North Carolina. Raleigh. North Carolina, Raleigh. It's really beautiful, like over there's a little smaller thing. Little things. It's usually 7 in the morning. We're currently in Georgia. Jacksonville, Florida. It's over there. I'm about to start doing my morning skincare routine. I have my cleanser, toner, my pumpkin cream, serum, and sunscreen with my mascara. That's it. So we're leaving Jacksonville. And, we're basically in Florida right now, but different parts. Something semi-different. She said apply. That I could, high chance I could get it, because I worked there before. It's like one time they have nice views, and then one time they block it out. Stupid. Winter, what, Danny? What's it called?
Winter Park.
Winter Park.
That's a lie. Winter Park, our place is always warm. False advertisement. Then after this one is Orlando. Es una regular. Es una nada más. Porque tenemos dos carry-on. No, un carry-on. Una mochila that I can put on my lap. And Darshani puede estar con la maleta y de estos lados de ella del carro. No, because you know we brought you stuff for the week stuff only. No como cuando venimos para de viaje. I remember that time it was like 12 days that we was over here, so that was different.
We basically We just reached Finland. Getting off in a few. This is Orlando. There's a lot of cars. Commercial millwork.
Police are now arriving at Orlando. If Orlando is your stop, gather your belongings now. Please exit way to see a crew member. This station is Orlando.
Okay, we gotta exit now. This is the Orlando station. So we just arrived. Orlando station. So they're taking out the suitcase. So basically all the luggage, that's ours, you see? This is the station. It's freaking humid here. Okay, so we're gonna get the luggage and then we're gonna try to clear this out. So there's where to keep all the baggages, and then they take the baggages out, and you basically claim there. Hi guys, so we finally reached to the apartment that we'll be staying for the trip, and we actually changed. So yeah, actually changed, and anyway, we changed because we have one of Danny's friend that came to walk us around a little bit, and I'm gonna show you a tour on the second video, not this video, because I'm gonna end this video now. I guess it's already long, and I'm gonna go take a shower. So that's why I'm gonna rest, because tomorrow is Disneyland. You will see that, and I will show you where we stay. Now, let's talk about the Amtrak train. First of all, the experience was really nice because you get to see a set of states, which is really good, and it was amazing. But you need to know a few tips on this Amtrak. 1, walk with Lysol. 2, take wipes with you all the time. 3, take a blanket, because in the night it's really cold, like really cold. They put the AC on and whatever. 4, walk with snacks, because I did my research on the Amtrak train, and it shows that it will be able to. When I did my research on the Amtrak train, it had shown that there's going to be a good amount of like observation deck. There wasn't that on the Amtrak we are at. For some reason, I think different destination is different. You would get different Amtrak trains probably, but yeah, it didn't turn out what I did my research about. It didn't turn out to be that. But what I'm definitely recommend you is to take those few things that I tell you. Take your own food, Lysol, hand wipes, take a blanket, take a pillow, because if you're not taking the bed seat, which is the coach, then you need a pillow to get a comfortable seat, because those seats could go back. So you need a pillow to sit comfortable. You need take a slippers, because if you're in slippers, you definitely need a slippers. I had a slippers, but it was in my suitcase and I forgot to put it in my carry-on, so I couldn't access them. Take a slippers, take charger, take outlet, take games. You take extra clothes if you want, you can change. Take mouthwash, because if you don't get the chance to like brush your teeth, mouthwash till you get the chance to brush your teeth. But yeah, there's a lot of few stuff we can take, but necessarily something to tell you like some important ones here, you know what you have to take. But yeah, overall I would rate the experience an 8 out of 10, because it was really comfy and it was really good, and I liked it. I liked the experience. I'll definitely do it again. But we were layover in DC for 2 hours, so we got delayed for 2 hours. But yeah, it was definitely worth it, and I liked it, so I'll definitely do it again. But yeah, read, do research, and remember, not every video, not every research you do is going to be on the same Amtrak that you're taking, because I did my research thinking I'm gonna walk into a lovely Amtrak train with good views, good everything, and then turn on that way. So don't have your expectation too high, but experience was really good. The surface was really good, and it's definitely a must. So if you haven't tried it, definitely recommend this. But yeah, this is our day one of our vacation, and we got home. We showered quick because we really wanted to shower, and we went to get something to eat, and now we're back home. We're gonna rest because tomorrow's Disneyland. I'm gonna show you the apartment tomorrow in a different video, so look out for that one and you'll see it. Now, good night. I hope you have a good night, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and look out for day 2 of our vacation too.